Hello traders, welcome to Shunya. Today we will see how you can sell shares through EDS from Shunya web platform. So here you can see we have login Shunya web platform. Here we will first click on the user icon given above. After that, we will click on this generate ADIs tip-in given here and generate ADIs tip-in. So here you can see that the confirmation of a pop-up window has also come, and also we have received SMS on our registered mobile number and mail ID. And now we will go back to the holdings. Here you can see we have some holdings out of which we want to sell the idea. So now we will click on the action button given on the right side to sell the idea, and then click on the square off button. Here the sell window has been opened. If we want to sell the idea at the limit price, then we will select the limit here and we will enter the price at which we want to sell. Now we will click on the confirm button, and now you can see a green colored window has come here, and it is telling that you have to first get authentication from CDSL as many as you have to sell holdings. Then we will click on request ADS button and will get authentication to sell 5 quantity. So here you can see CDSL page has been opened. You can change tip-in, and in case you forget your tip-in, you can go forget tip-in option. Now we will click on submit button. Now we will enter the tip-in here and click on verify. After tip-in verification, we have received OTP on our registered mobile number and email ID. Now we will enter the OTP here and click on verify. You can see a page has been opened. ADI's transaction done successfully. Now we will go back to ADI's report in Shunya web platform. Here you can see we have received authentication of 5 quantity stock and status is showing success. Now we will go here to the holdings and sell the idea. Here we will keep quantity 2 only, although we have taken 5 quantity permission, and we will enter the limit price 8.85 paise and click on the square off button and now confirm. Now you can see that the order is showing submit successfully. In the order book also the status of the order is showing pending. When my price hits the market, then it will be executed. So this was a brief overview of how you are able to sell your shares from Shunya web platform through ADIS. Thanks for watching. For any further assistance, please contact us.